All right, Scotty. You got a little bang bang boogie to the bang bang.
Yeah.
Little clippy come out.
Come on, booger.
Wow.
Let's see if we can't get some extra light in there. Where?
Light on the subject, eh? There you go. Almost. Damn. Bing!
Fries are done. Ding. Sorry.
That's my line. Oh, babies is in there, huh? Wow. That's not good. Usually that would have been out by now.
Yeah, I know.
Did you just do that thing with your hair? Like, are you like trying to be in a White Snake video?
Come on, you little booger.
I've never seen one be that big of a pain in the ass. Hey, look, there. There you go. There you go.
Ow, that was a hand. I don't know why I'm complaining. I got one on the other side.
You got two,
I
jeez.
know, right? You.
One's out. One down. That one's not happy, buddy.
Well, I wouldn't be happy either if somebody was beating on my hole like that.
You're lying. Did it move?
I think.
You, broken rubber.
That thing hasn't even moved.
Oh, it's weird. It hasn't. That's so weird.
Put your hand right there for me.
Hold on.
If you don't mind, sir.
On it. There it goes. There it went. There we go.
There's the whore. I mean, my ex. Oh, wait, same thing.
Hey, look at that. All right, one U-joint. That's not in the best of shape. Out. That's from up here. I got you.
Okay. I was like, I know I didn't touch nothing.
All right, one down, one to
Wasn't
go.
me.
One down, one to go. We'll get the other one in a minute.
All right, so let's put the new one in.
Now?
Yep. Might as well. I mean, I'm here.
Ooh, Scotty's here. I just had it up here. Hold on. I've had it up to here. There you go.
Cinco.
U-joint. Clippies.
Clippy, clippy. And may I have ride for my hands? Ooh,
Look at that.
covered all my nuts.
What? Huh? What?
We even have a singer. Well, Figaro.
Hello, my baby. Oh, that was the frog.
Yes, it was.
Sorry. Well, damn, Scotty.
No, we're gonna do it.
Careful.
I don't want to look.
Looks good to me.
Beautiful. I mean, beautiful.
Put it in the hole, Stuart.
Stuart? Who's Stuart?
Don't you remember Beavis and Butthead? Their nerdy friend, Stuart. Put it in the hole, Stuart.
No.
You lie like a rug.
I know.
Ooh, joints. Ooh, joints. I love how it doesn't want to behave now. Never.
That is really weird.
Yeah, that's...
I mean, this one's literally almost in.
Well, that's good. At least one's almost in. There it went. Clips and we're in, eh? Clippies are in the bag. I like how the other one had clips on even the outsides where it
Which is kind of cool.
Yeah, but it's not needed.
It's not needed, but which would you prefer? Something that fell apart or something that even if you beat on it would last?
Well, yeah, but I mean, that's almost...
Did that go up your butt?
Almost up my ass.
We have others we can use. It's not a
Yeah,
big deal.
it's under my foot. Like the one under my ass. Oh, no, here it is. Magic.
I've never had a problem putting these clips in like this. Ever.
Ever.
All right, well, let's get the other side done first.
Oh, Scotty.
Ooh, no, I can't do that. I can't beat on that end. Because that's where the...
Beat that shit like it owes you money. There you go. In the hole. You should probably get one in the hole, make it so you have room to put the clip on, and then bang it down, and then do the other clip.
Let's say I've never had a problem doing these. Ever. That's why it was weird.
It's weird. Ew. There you go. Bang, bang. Wise guy, eh? There it went.
Still not enough to get it in.
A little spit.
No, I mean, like, huge difference.
Oh, Scotty. There you go, mate. There it went. I saw it move. It moved. Almost. There you go. Ta-da!
Dum, dum, dum.
All right, one down, one to go. I'll put the grease fitting in it in a bit.
Okay.
All right. You want to do that one, then go back to what you were doing, or while you're beating, or?
Yeah, might as well get this one done real quick.
Because you're already here.
We're both right here type deal.
Yeah. Then I'm going to pull the sway bar out of this because we have to change that too. And then I was going to start on the bottom half of the shocks.
Sure.
Yeah, we're cranking today. Look at that cute little yoke, and then the cutest little.
No, it won't fit.
If I'm not too excited, I might. But the splines wouldn't feel good. Alright. This is becoming boring video, so you do this. I go take sway bar apart. Yeah?
Sounds good.
Yeah. I'll check back with you in a momento.
Un momento, por favor.
Por favor. See.